Nema Obi Akwaba Eba GC News, hot news all time, latest and hot news. And I'm the Bramo. Prophet Kofi Oduro, the founder and leader of Alabaster Ministry International, what the Ensema to be a do so be account Emma or can Nakosem Emma what to be the money about answer and similar necessary. So we are subscribe to the channel now necessary over subscribe. We are say over click the subscribe button. Now our belly notification. When sa video for via upload also when sa can be. I feel we are now like video on my thumbs up. Give us a thumbs up. Now say share my awful for so now only be now watch it. Afriyie share Kofi Oduro, Prophet Kofi Oduro, Mensah or the trigger or to be money Akufo Addo Bawumia. Then you know him say do so Nónsense akoye simple praise say mo dey pa say one do kan na e be che answer na kan yaba ama o show eneku amanfo we na Kofi Oduro bu fu na watu to be the money aba we a watch say ono oda sumu na dem kura wontimi anda che bontin e no beda ya wo kan kunya nsa e bo ho e ne che say wo da so kakra che say wontimi kura anda eno na ni go for watch say mo de mote ho no kan ya ne yedum na automatically na mo generator so na yesa mu de mu da kan ya mu na mo ne babusuafo e na enjoy Kofi Oduro bu Afriyie pa ma wo to bi man Akufo Addo ne na ban a wo che say ya to aba ma wo na wo ye kenini mo fix problem na mo de subo e na ebo afoforo say won na ya madun so no aba ya to aba ma mo fix problem na mo de subo ebo di afoforo we na Kofi Oduro aba bonche akasa wo de ensem bebre na ra atuga na yesem re ne tete me nkuti ono ne no wasem ensem a wo de tuga wo che say ono wo da bonche che say e show e likunya seketwa Niti Prophet Kofi Oduro ensem a wo de tuga niti no.
Today I slept outside of my house. I slept on 3 chairs. And I slept on 3 chairs. Because you can't sleep. You are living in a nation that has leadership. We voted for leaders. We're giving them free food, free water, free electricity, free plane, free fuel, free everything. And giving them salary. And we are asking them, fix our mess. Leaders. Fix our mess. Leaders. And they are here blaming other people. Somebody didn't have the internet and they have become a founder of agriculture, founder of engineering, ambience. They have become something. We are here, hallelujah, receiving communion every Sunday. Hail Mother Mary of God, our Father who art in heaven. I believe in Jesus, Son of the living God. Recitations, and we have nothing to show for. Ghana, you are crippled. You are blind. Your leaders are blind and dumb dogs who cannot speak and who does not perform. You are 67 years and you are struggling with common electricity. Electricity is common. It's a common amenity. What is happening is not lack of supply. It's money issue. And when it's money issue, it's mismanagement. Now this electricity thing is revealing how flawed our leadership is. Flawed leadership. I don't care about your parties. I don't care about who is in power. I went to one of the embassies recently and my heart broke. One day I saw over 600 people one day applying for visa in one day. Can you imagine 600 people times 30 days? Tell me the number of people that are looking for an opportunity to leave Africa. Why? What? And you feel like Christianity is tell them Jesus is coming and let's close and go home. That's it. When you need vote, you come to church. I should tell church people, hallelujah, Jesus will help you this week. Go home and sleep. And that is church? What kind of nonsense is this? I don't don't understand. What kind of leadership is this? Africa at the moment is bleeding, and it's not only Ghana. Go to Nigeria and see flawed, weak leadership. Go to, Uganda and see how weak and vulnerable and frail. No leadership. No leadership. So me, when you talk about old people and people who are in leadership, and I don't want to hear it. I don't want to hear it. Because we are living in a place where, hope must be restored. Hope must be restored. We are praying for you. We are trusting God with you. We are not talking ill about our country. We are speaking positively that things will be better. And you people are there, enjoying with your families and, having it. Because when the lights went off and we are in the heat, your generator starts automatically and we are paying for it. What kind of nonsense is this? What kind of nonsense is this? What kind of nonsense is this? Let's say that I am a pastor of a denomination and I spoke against this. I will be transferred the next week. Suspended. So even our fathers are not making it easy for the trouble to be solved.
You waiting for wedding and some year Prophet Kofi Oduro at the 2 year watch as I will know what can come in Sunday ball and I will see die at a solo and Yabia will be another. Where you do so homes and semi and I will support a boy. You can deform money in Namusis or minor, Mode Suborno, airbo, a performer. We know just a do so similar and discuss them. There is customer necessary best management and now what the and somebody to be a water to be money a year about. Now what the $7 and a 2 year because GCD so and our heno 7 million subscriber ya necessary over subscriber now like now I share video roma of from so any be na wa hwe. Also betting actually what being a fire and some way in our home and work comment box in liberty in my next video.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.